Using a student response system, also known as clickers, is an effective way for teachers to get feedback, see how the class is understanding something, have students vote, and even play a game. Basically, the teacher asks a question and the students answer through their clicker. Clickers are anonymous, so no one needs to be embarrassed if they answer incorrectly or if they have a different opinion than others. Because of this, clickers can be useful during discussions that are on sensitive subjects. In addition, because the teacher can block the class from seeing the answers until all students have responded, clickers can quickly and efficiently be used to give a quiz or otherwise test student knowledge. Watch the different ways that the teacher in the video uses her clickers to review, perform ongoing assessment, involve students in the lesson, and get student feedback.
Ready to go, ready to respond, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to give you a multiple choice question, so you know you choose one of the choices, and give you 15 seconds to answer. There are no points for this question. Don't talk to your neighbor. I just want to see what you remember from yesterday. We talked about a grammar point, and I just want to see what you remember to see if we need to address it again today or if we can move forward. Okay? So do your best, answer the question. Remember, you can only choose one answer. Here's the question. Don't answer yet. Which of the following is not a modal verb? A, can, B, should, C, might, or D, is. Now wait till I click, and then you can choose. Ready? Go. Did everyone put their answer in? Yeah, there must be some of these that are still turned on. Whoa! Who took their answer away? All right, let's see what you said. Multiple choice. A, 3 people. B and C, no one. And D, 6 people. So that looks like the answer might be D. Who said D? Penny, can you explain why?
Because can, should, and might are modal verb, but is a be verb.
Why do you say so? What makes it that way?
For example, you can add adjective in noun after is, but you cannot do that for the other 3 choices.
Good job. I think that because 1/3 of the class didn't understand this, we'll talk about modal verbs for about 10 more minutes today, okay?
Notice that the teacher speaks the question and provides a written version, so she is sure that the students can understand the question she is asking and she gets an accurate response. The teacher is helping students master the concept she is teaching so they don't get lost and fall behind. The clickers help her find out quickly how she should progress in her lesson. The teacher can use the same technique throughout her lesson by stopping every so often to check student understanding. This ongoing assessment will help her to make sure that all of the students are understanding the lesson and provide her with information about where she needs to change or repeat. In the next video segment, note how the teacher uses the clickers in a different way to review her instruction and to help students practice in an engaging way.
Okay, class, now you have time to practice and review all the vocabulary we learned. So now we are going to play a game to review it again and listen to the words. So now put away all your books and papers except the answer sheet. So during the game, each group will have only one clicker. And so you have to take turns to use the clicker to answer the question. You can discuss with your members, but remember, if you don't have the clicker, please write your answers in your answer sheet. Okay, if you have the correct answer, and then you will have 10 points. And today, if you have the most points for each questions, and then you will be our game master. So, is there any question for this part? No? Okay. Let's start with our question 1. What is the synonym for modern? Any question? Our question is, what is the synonym for modern? Okay, you have only 10 seconds left, so please hurry up. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. Oops, it seems like we lost one group here, but it's okay. The first answer is current. Does everyone agree with current is the synonym for modern? Great. And then the second one is recent. Any objection? No. So these two words are the synonym for modern. Thank you for everyone. So now let's go to question 2.
In this video segment, the teacher engages all of the students by having them discuss their answers and asking everyone to write them down. In this way, all students are actively practicing while playing the game. In addition, she is having students use multiple skills, listening, speaking, and writing, to review the vocabulary. By supporting the use of many language modes, she is helping students to commit the vocabulary to memory. Most important, the clickers are not the focus of the lesson. Rather, they are used as a tool to support engaging instruction that allows everyone to participate. In the third video segment, the teacher gathers additional information about how effective her instruction was. As you watch, think about additional ways that she might use the clickers to do this quickly and efficiently.
So before we leave today, I would like you to tell me about the lesson that we have had for today so that I can prepare our lesson better for tomorrow. So right now, please type your feedback with your clicker. And please keep your answers briefly and concise. Okay, so when you are done, you can leave. So that's our lesson for today. See you next time.
In this segment, the teacher uses the clickers to have students complete a kind of exit slip that provides information for her about what misunderstandings or lack of understanding she needs to address in a future lesson. The clickers make this very efficient. When the teacher opens the response page on the computer, she can see at a glance what the responses were, and she doesn't have to open lots of email messages or waste lots of paper. Overall, the use of clickers can help teachers support the participation of all students, engage students in new and different ways, and gather information efficiently. Students can answer honestly and without fear because of the tool's anonymity feature that hides their identity. While not the best tool for every task, clickers, or a student response system, can be used in many interesting and useful ways.